The end of the year is just around the corner, and one of my favorite points of the year that I have dubbed Q5. Q5 is that very short window of time just after Christmas where you can really capitalize on the final end of year sales. Everyone who opened up their stocking stuffers and got themselves a gift card is going to be wanting to use that gift card over the next week to 2 weeks. And so I like to consider this period a Q5 sort of period in which essentially people are going to be rushing to buy anything that they didn't receive as a gift during Christmas. And this year, especially, I think it's important and impactful for a lot of brands to take advantage of this Q5, especially knowing the fact that you're not going to get a lot of sales coming up around the 20th. So, how do you optimize best for Q5? What I like to do here are two specific things in general. The very first one, many people should have access to this, and this is a new type of deal this year called New Year, New You. Or I should say, it says now you. So I don't know if that's a play on words by Amazon or what they're trying to do there. But this is a very specific type of deal that you can choose any one of these dates. And so the dates that, again, I'm usually looking at for this would be the idea of, December 29th to the 4th. Now, I also do consider technically a 26th, 27th, 28th as also kind of this Q5 area. But this is the 1 week, essentially, in which I'm going to consider it fully Q5. Part of the reason I believe that Amazon also doesn't, or considers it to be that, is just because the 29th is a Monday, and deals always run in a week time frame. So, for Q5, one of the very first things I am going to encourage people to do is specifically this type of deal. So there are a couple of caveats here. Obviously, it is a deal, so you're going to have some fees with this: a $70 deal fee, and then plus 1% of sales with a $2,000 cap. So not awful by any means when it comes to deals. I don't think this is awful in any means. So this is definitely something that I'm going to be testing out this year for Q5 to say, yeah, do it across accounts. Try and get those incremental sales at the very end of the year while you still can. Get a couple of days there, plus some into the new year. It's going to really set you up for success, especially with the slowdown of sales over the course of the 20th to the 25th. Next, I am also going to really encourage everyone, brand cart abandoners. Do hefty brand cart abandoners. This is going to be a huge thing, in my opinion. Part of the reason that I would really suggest that you do a brand cart abandoner campaign for Q5 specifically is that you're going to have all of these people over the last 90 days who have been looking at your product, maybe adding it to their cart, maybe adding it to their wish list. They didn't receive it on Christmas Day. They didn't open up a nice present that had your item in it that you were hoping for. And so what do? Well, they go to Amazon and they say, I'm going to go buy all this. That is literally, by the way, how I make my Christmas list. I just find everything that I'm going to likely buy for myself. I send it out to everyone. Whatever is still on the list that people didn't get me, I go through the next day or the day after, and I just order all myself anyhow. And it's my own little Christmas gift. Many customers are going to be the exact same. So brand cart abandoners is going to be great just to kind of get that incremental sales volume again at the very end of the year. These are going to be two of the primary things that I'm going to be looking at as drivers during Q5. Now, another area you really want to optimize for is just going to be your advertising. Ads in general during the Q5 period are going to be up in the air, primarily because overall you are not going to have a lot of traffic on the platform like you normally do. So that means that likely your overall bid is going to be a little bit lower, but your budget might need to be a little bit higher, essentially. Or I should say your budget's going to be a little bit lower, your bids are going to be a little bit higher. So this is one of those areas where I really would encourage people to essentially tailor down what it is you're actually approaching. And it's a great time as well, if you haven't actually looked at doing any of it yet, to actually do some audience targeting. I really like AMC's new audience targeting for sponsored products. I think it works really well. And so one of the things that I'm going to be particularly doing is looking specifically at just retargeting campaigns with audience targeting. This can be both for a branded search, but also just a category level search. Would really encourage you to set up some of these audience targeting through the campaign manager with AMC specifically for your category during that Q5 period. Because again, we are looking to get incremental sales that you didn't get during the actual holiday rush period and just get those last minute sales through the door. So hopefully you go out and you enjoy and you get all of these done in time and you enjoy the holidays. while at the same time your account is just blowing up with sales because people didn't get what they wanted for Christmas and Santa did not come to town, unfortunately.